Hi there, Alicia here at Ardmore Windows and Doors, and we're going to take a look at this gorgeous balcony door here from OKNOPLAST. This is actually created and constructed with uPVC with steel reinforcement. We have a double pane glass here. Let's talk about how easy and effortless it is to use. Say you want to open the door all the way. You're going to horizontal handle here, boom. Now say you want a little fresh breeze, you don't want to open the door all the way. You tilt the handle up 180 and the door actually tilts back, which is a nice, gorgeous option. Now you want micro, maybe ventilation, so you're gonna go ahead. It's kind of in between the horizontal vertical, and this allows just a nice little draft to enter. We also have this beautiful hopper window here for just extra ventilation, say some fresh air, which is a nice option. Say you have a beautiful backyard or a balcony, you just want that extra fresh air and sunlight. This is actually our jet black matte color, but there are numerous options available from OKNOPLAST. So if you're looking for your next balcony door, feel free to reach out to us. We'd be happy to help.